Hey guys, it's Debbie with Driftwood and Shine.
And Sunshine.
We're gonna come on tonight and we're making firecrackers. Sonny's we've got a peeping Tom in the window. No, I'm kidding. It's our friend that we're down here with. We use premium Nabisco crackers, and guys used to, I will tell you, because this recipe, let me find it on here, right here. This recipe calls for a pound, and they used to come in the 16 ounce. Look, now it's not. Now it's in the 13.6 ounce.
But now we also had to get the kinds that's in these little stacks because they didn't have any kind.
Yeah, they didn't have the big pack.
So the big pack might be.
It might be. So we had to get 13.6 ounce. So we're going to have to adjust our recipe.
Oh, you shut my box.
But we'll tell you, we can tell you what the normal recipe is.
She was totally in the wrong spot
Yes,
on
I
Facebook
was.
and couldn't figure it out.
I would have eventually, guys. I would have
Her
eventually.
assistant was assisting. All right, guys, you just put them in a Ziploc bag. No rhyme or reason.
Yep, no rhyme or reason. Just put them in a big, you do need a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, though. And like I said, normally, oh, we can turn it down because you're way high. There.
Excuse me, my face is itching.
Normally, it takes 16 ounces, 1 pound of crackers. Okay, there's our 13.6 ounce of crackers. Now we're going to put, this is a 3/4 ounce measurement of canola oil.
Show them the bottom.
And we just, guys, oil has gone so expensive, we just got the Clover Valley kind, canola
You
oil.
just pour it in, right?
Just pour it in. And you'd think, man, this is going to be soggy. Now we're going to put about a third more because we've got 13.6 ounces.
I thought it only called for a cup.
It does, and this is only 3/4 of a cup.
So 3/4 and a quarter would make a whole cup.
A third.
Okay.
A third
Oh, yeah,
of a 3/4.
3/4.
My assistant, y'all, I'm going to tell you. But normally it takes 1 cup of canola oil
1
with
cup.
your 16 ounces of crackers.
1 cup.
Yep. And then she's going to put 1.5 teaspoons of crushed red peppers. And guess what? We got the jar open this time. The last time I tried to make something, we didn't. That's a tablespoon, a half a tablespoon. So she's, she's going to put 3 of those. Now, in a whole 16 ounces, a pound of crackers, you put 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of crushed red peppers. We're only going to put 3/4 and
1.5.
1.5, yeah. And then we put, normally you put a whole packet of ranch dressing, the powdered kind. And then, guys, it calls for a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. We didn't buy any at the grocery store. We thought they had some, but they do not here at this place. So, ours is lacking the half a teaspoon of garlic powder. But for a pound of crackers, now you're gonna.
Do I take the air out now or no?
No,
Shake it
don't
and
take.
then do that.
You don't even shake it. You just turn it round about like that. You don't even shake it, guys. You just turn it. Keep on there so they can see you turning it though. You didn't shut it good. I did the same thing when I made them that time. Son didn't shut it good. It poured out, but that's okay. Anyhow, this is the recipe for normal. A 16 ounce box of crackers. You want 1 full cup of canola oil. You want 2 tablespoons of crushed red peppers. If you like them hot, go ahead and put 3. Guys, this is based on how hot you like them. They're called firecrackers, so they're supposed to be hot. And then a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1 whole ranch dressing, salad dressing mix. So that's it for a whole pack. But see how it's going down and it's getting all in there. You'd think they'd be soggy, but I'm telling you, they're still crispy and still good. And you let them sit for a good, like we're doing them tonight, they'll be ready to eat in the morning. You just give those crackers time to get all that flavor, and it has to get all down in it. So you have to come and keep turning them. You walk up and turn them about every 10, 15 minutes. You don't have to keep doing this. We do this when we first start. We'll go ahead and, you know, turn them upside down and whatever. But then after a while, you just leave them laying on your kitchen counter. And then every so often, walk by and flip them. Walk by and flip them. Walk by and flip them. And that's it, guys. That's how super.
And when you shut it good, you don't get dirty.
Yeah, when you shut it good, you don't have oil all over you. And all over your counter. But that's okay. But listen, if you don't have, like, we didn't have a whole pack. We had the 13.6. I just kind of adjusted the recipe for what the amount of crackers that we had. Let me go over it one more time with you. They're called Firecrackers. You use a 16-ounce, 1 pound of crackers. Any kind you like. Saltine crackers.
Any brand you prefer. We prefer.
I thought this said saltine crackers, but it really doesn't.
But saltine crackers. Premium saltine crackers.
Duh.
See, that assistant is assisting again.
That assistant. Anyhow, saltine crackers. You want a whole pound of them. Then you want a whole cup of canola oil. 2 whole tablespoons of crushed red pepper. And like I said, if you want it hotter, you just put, you know, a teaspoon more, a whole tablespoon more, however you want it. Now, I did 3 whole tablespoons the last time I made them. They were very hot, but they all got eat.
Very hot.
And then
the assistant didn't need a whole pile because it was hot.
1 whole thing of ranch dressing mix. And then a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, which we don't have, so we didn't put any garlic powder in it this time. But so if you don't have garlic powder, still make it. Now, you couldn't make it without the ranch or without the red peppers or without the canola oil. So you kind of got to have that. And you got to have crackers. Can't be firecrackers without crackers. So, but that's it, guys. And this is close up of what they're looking like so far. But like I said, we'll just, like I just turned them now. I turn them upside down. And see, you can see all that stuff just draining down in there. And you really think, oh, that's going to be a soggy mess. But for somehow reason, I don't understand it. But they're not. They're really, really good.
Yeah, I prefer to snack on them over potato chips. Yeah. Everybody around our place, well, the boys don't because the boys don't like hot. But Dusty and Jeff and Mama.
Yeah.
And I like them too, but like I said last time.
I made them too hot last time. I really did. But
everybody's asking where we're at. We're on our
Thanksgiving. We come to Thanksgiving with our friends, the one that was peeking in the window a while ago. But we're down here in Port St. Joe with our friends for Thanksgiving.
Miss Connie Joe's made them something like that with oyster crackers. I bet that's good because oyster crackers are little.
Yep, they are good with oyster crackers. I'm going to tell you, I like these with crab dip and stuff too.
Yep.
Chilled crab dip, they're really good.
Miss Crystal, not yet. We'll be home
Saturday.
Hopefully, she should make it in Friday.
That's fun. Yeah.
Can you use olive oil?
Ugh.
I
would not think so, guys, because it specifically calls for canola oil. Now, you could use vegetable oil, but see, canola oil, it's based on, like, canola oil is lighter oil than, like, vegetable oil. And olive oil, you could make it, but it would have a different taste because, you know, olive oil has a different taste.
Yeah, I don't care for
We've only ever made them with canola oil. I mean, ever, because it's a very light, very thin oil.
Miss Becky, you just get them out of here and just eat them.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Actually, after ours did all the draining, you know, we made ours last year to go. Remember when we went to Texas to see my niece? We took them with us to that, and we just put them in a Tupperware thing after they'd done, you know, did all their settling or whatever you want to call it. We just put them in a Tupperware thing and took them with us on the trip. So,
Miss Gail says she only uses canola oil.
Yeah, that's all we've ever used is canola. Oh, for anything?
That's how I took her.
Hey, that's pretty cool. We didn't know if you could actually fry French fries. I've never tried French fries in canola oil.
Miss Sheila, you are exactly right. She did make them last year, and we did absolutely love them.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Because remember my pepper thing? The top. How this one, my pepper top would not come off last year. And people were saying, well, why don't she just take the top off and pour it? And I'd be like, well, I would have if I could have. But the top wouldn't come off. I could flip it, but I literally had to take a knife last year and cut out all those little holes even. Because, this top would not, of my pepper last year, would not come off.
Thank you, Miss Crystal. I don't know if y'all saw my live earlier, but my bag with all my hair stuff got left at home. So I had to go to the local Dollar General, because I don't know for those of y'all that have been down here, but there ain't, we ain't even got a Walmart down here. There's one probably 45-ish minutes away. So
This is like a little seaside town.
So you go to the Dollar General. So I went to the Dollar General and got me some hair stuff. And I actually used Mama's little brush hair dryer.
Well, it looks good on you.
On this part up here.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's why it's looking a little pretty. I get my hair did Tuesday.
Did you put it back up? I'll show them. You didn't put it back up?
No, it's in my bathroom.
She don't ever put anything back up, this chick. But anyhow, that's it. Again, let me give it one more time, go over the recipe. 1 pound of crackers.
Saltine or oyster crackers, so
Yep.
that we have now learned that you can use. We'll make them with oyster crackers next, because I bet
That would be
great.
really good.
So we'll try that.
1 cup of canola oil. 2 tablespoons of crushed red pepper flakes. And 1 whole packet of ranch dressing and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic powder now, not salt, garlic powder. And that's it. You just keep turning them, like we'll flip them again now.
And y'all,
Keep turning them.
I didn't know that Mama made them with 3 tablespoons. I didn't know she put extra pepper stuff in it last year. But I would say, if you don't like them that hot, just don't
Just put 1 tablespoon.
Yeah, since just cut this down.
Yeah, that is based solely on you.
Yeah.
They're
Or
just,
if you don't like them hot at all, just use the ranch. They would still be good.
they wouldn't be firecrackers then, but they'd be like ranch crackers.
Yeah, they'd be ranch crackers.
Yeah.
But we will try them with the oyster crackers. That sounds good. Miss Ann only uses canola oil for everything.
Oh,
We've always used vegetable oil.
Yep.
But I've always heard canola oil and peanut oil was better for you. So
I know it's a lot thinner oil. But
zesty. Okay, I've never tried the zesty. I did see tonight when I was picking up the ranch that they had one that was
zesty
spicy.
ranch?
Wasn't that one? That first one I started to get was spicy or something like
Yeah.
that. So never tried that. Might have to try that too. Yeah. Dusty's at work in Texas and JC's at home. Y'all, something in my mouth. My throat is not working. Ranch garlic crackers. Yes, that's exactly what they'd be. See, that sounds delicious to me too.
Oh yeah, ranch garlic crackers.
And yeah, I do like hot, but what's funny is pepper. This stuff is hot to me, but I like hot wings and stuff. So we are on a come to have Friendsgiving with our friends in Port St. Joe, Miss Patty.
And we're not
Avocado
actually.
oil, cayenne, red pepper flakes, and ranch.
Oh, I bet that'd be good too.
JC's at home. Yeah, JC's already at home. Miss Sandra said the ranch is awesome. I can't talk.
You guys, listen, y'all all have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving tomorrow. I will be doing devotion in the morning though at 9:30. So I'm not gonna not do that. So I know some of y'all be cooking and maybe not be able to listen or whatever, but I am gonna do
catch
it.
the replay because it'll be on there. Miss Barbara, this kitchen is amazing.
Oh, it is.
We have stayed in lots of Airbnbs because that's where we always go to look for somewhere when we're going on vacation because
It's cheaper than motels.
I was going to say, you can get an Airbnb.
Well, because we got a big family now.
Yeah. If there wasn't but a few of us, then that might not be the case. But when you have to get multiple hotel rooms, it's cheaper for us to get a house than it is to stay in a motel. Or those big, we can stay in the deluxe or the suites or something like that in the motel. But gosh, they're
Well, the Airbnbs
Cost
are
a
just
lot.
as cheap, yeah.
That's what I was saying. Miss Elaine, very much. These last 2 weeks have been really hard on her. She's missing her baby. Something.
But I think that's because she knows she's on
Close to
short
coming
time.
home. Yeah.
When she's getting to come home. You know how when you know that time's fixing to be up, it just seems like, whew, it's just pulling teeth to wait. And I think that's where she's at right now. She's just,
Yeah.
it's like pulling teeth because she just wants to get in that car and come on.
But, yeah, but anyway, this kitchen is
It is amazing.
amazing. It's got the flat top cooktop stove. It's got the oven, as y'all see, in the wall. We've got an ice maker under the cabinet, like where a dishwasher would be. You know what I mean?
Well, it's
We've
got
got
a
a
dishwasher,
dishwasher,
though.
but I'm just saying, like, not a on the counter ice maker, not in the refrigerator ice maker, like a real ice maker. It's cool. But anyway, and this is one of the more affordable ones we've ever stayed at.
Yeah. And it's just a double wide trailer, but it is really
it's a double
nice.
trailer.
I mean, it's really nice.
But all right, guys, that's all we got for right now.
But be looking tomorrow whenever y'all can, or go back and look at replays, or y'all might want to make some of the desserts we make in the morning, you know, for your eating, or for after eating, or for Saturday ball game, Iron Bowl Saturday, and all those things are Saturday. So anyhow, y'all make you some firecrackers. Use oyster crackers. Use saltine crackers. I imagine you could. I don't know. I don't think I would want any Captain's wafers or anything. They'd be too sweet. But
Now, lay them on that since I got a little oil in the bag.
But see, they're already starting to kind of, the oil's not, see when I turn them, you don't see it all dripping now. So you just keep on working them and keep on turning them, keep on flipping them. And they just form nice crackers. All right. I love you, and I will see you in the morning for devotion. And yeah, y'all have a happy, happy, happy Thanksgiving. Okay?
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Love ya.
Love you guys. Bye.